Hi guys, I am Simran Boparai, architect and interior designer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is an introduction to me, my team and my firm Space 5 that I have been running from past 5 years. I love designing and I'm sure you love it too. We are going to take you along the design journey so you can get deep insights of architects, how interior designers work and reach that goal. So let's get this started. Let's do this. Running your own business is a very tedious process. Means you're just hecked up the entire day, your weekends go in working, but it's like again a balance. You have to prepare client meetings, a lot of presentations, to put your vision through the mind of your client is very important for him to understand what you are visualizing for his design. The basic push for me for doing architecture actually came from my family. My father, belonging to a family of colonizers and architects, there's always one thing, design, that is being discussed in and out. So I developed a keen interest towards it at a very young age. Further, as a woman, I wanted to be a very young entrepreneur. So at the age of 24, I got my first national award as the budding architect for residences. So it was the one kick that really pushed me and further motivated me to achieve those heights. Today, I'm doing the projects that I can only dream of doing. So there is a lot of hard work, and more than that, I would say, if you're doing something that you're more passionate about, you don't have to seek permission to achieve it. That's the only permission you need in life. Your interest, your passion is one thing that will push you to achieve that goal in life. To be very honest, you can't say I was a very kick-ass student in architecture, but yes, I was the one who would never give up on design. Be it like your submissions are being rejected 5 times, 10 times, I never gave up. I think that's one thing that has helped me reach the place where I am today. Other than that, I think it's not mandatory for you to be a 10 grader student in architecture. Even a 7th grader, a 6th grader, grades don't matter much. It's your interest, it's your passion, that pushes you, that drive of working day and night. There's one thing that's running behind your head is architecture. You're sleeping and you're thinking of designs. That's one kick you need in life to achieve any position. If you are a budding architect or an interior designer, yes, grades are important, but to have a passion for it, to love what you're doing is more important.
Hi, this is Harkaran. Along with Gursimran, I am the lead architect at Space 5. Running this firm has been a rollercoaster ride with ups and downs, learning new things each day in and day out. Along the road, we got a thread into it and been learning new things, meeting new people, and trying to pioneer stuff so that what not others have done, that's what we are trying to do. And hopefully in coming years and along the run of the mill, we might end up doing something which is bigger and better and larger than our own self.
My vision as an architect is to see myself as one of the most influential person in folks under 30. I don't know if I can achieve it. There are a lot of criticism, a lot of people will try to push you down. But the one thing that always keeps me going is my passion, is my interest for what I am doing. So I think if you can dream big, you are almost halfway. So that's what I visualize for myself, and I hope that if anyone who has such vision can definitely achieve it. I want to branch out in different fields, not only service, but I love creating products like designing furniture, lights, customizing them for your clients. It's very important to convert the dreams of your client into reality. So bringing something new to the table, thinking out of the box is what I visualize. I think that girl boss vibe is the one attitude that has always pushed me in life. To see yourself at a place where everyone dreams of getting is what always attracted me. I worked for it and hence I'm here. So similarly, you can be at this place. You just need to say to yourself that yes, you are enough girl. You don't need any other support in life to reach. You don't need any permission to be at a place. So that girl boss vibe and attitude has always pushed me in life. I think this introductory teaser is enough for you to get you along my journey. I'm going to take you behind the scenes of my architecture projects and be a part of my journey. Hit the subscribe button, and if you like it, do leave your comments. And if you have any Q&A for me, I would love to answer on running a business, growing a business, and how I worked and started my firm at such a young age as an architect. Thank you.